Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, your ultimate guide to making the best purchasing decisions. Today, we're diving into the world of mini drones and pitting two sleek contenders against each other, the Holy Stone HS-430 and the ATTOP W10. Buckle up, because this comparison is about to take off. Let's start with the price. The Holy Stone HS-430 will set you back $77, while the ATTOP W10 is a bit more wallet-friendly at $69. That's right, folks, the W10 leaves you with an extra $8. You could buy a latte, or maybe even a small pack of gum, because who doesn't need gum when they're flying a drone, right? Now, onto the cameras. Both drones boast a 1080p camera, but the Holy Stone HS-430 has a standard lens, while the ATTOP W10 offers a 120 degrees wide view. So if you're looking to capture everything from a panoramic sunset to your neighbor's questionable backyard activities, the W10 might be your go-to. Holy Stone, we love you, but wider is better. Battery life is crucial. The Holy Stone HS-430 comes with two modular LiPo batteries, giving you nearly half an hour of flight time. The ATTOP W10 didn't specify its flight time. Mysterious, isn't it? But let's face it, who doesn't love a good mystery? Just make sure you're not midair when you find out. In terms of portability, the HS-430 folds up and fits in the palm of your hand. It's like having a high-tech flying hamster. The W10, on the other hand, isn't too bulky either, but it doesn't fold. So if you're looking to impress your friends with a drone that fits in your pocket, the HS-430 takes the cake. Fun features? Both drones are packed. The Holy Stone HS-430 offers high-speed rotation, circle fly, and even a throw-to-go feature. It's like the Swiss Army knife of drones. Meanwhile, the ATTOP W10 isn't lagging behind with its 360 degrees flips and headless mode. It's like they're both saying, "Hey, look at me, I can do tricks." Safety first, kids. The HS-430 has built-in over-voltage protection and a low battery warning. The W10, however, comes with propeller guards and a one-key return function. So if you're prone to crashing into trees, because who isn't, the W10 might be your safer bet. No more drone decapitation incidents. Reviewers have a lot to say about both drones. The Holy Stone HS-430 is praised for its ease of use, good camera quality, and sturdy build, making it a great choice for beginners. However, some note issues with stability and video storage. On the other hand, the ATTOP W10 impresses users with its wide-view camera and user-friendly features, but some find it difficult to control and mention occasional drifting issues. Both drones offer great value for their price points, but cater to slightly different needs. So there you have it, folks. The Holy Stone HS-430 and the ATTOP W10 both have their strengths and quirks. If you're all about portability and longer flight times, the HS-430 is your aerial buddy. But if you want a wider camera view and a bit more safety, the W10 is calling your name. Remember, the best drone is the one that suits your needs and makes you look the coolest. Thanks for tuning in to Buy Smart. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which drone you prefer and why. Fly smart, buy smart, and we'll see you in the next video. Product links are in the description.